Are you looking for the best artificial Christmas trees in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best artificial Christmas trees that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Balsam Hill Classic Blue Spruce Tree. The realistic color of the Balsam Hill Classic Blue Spruce is a major selling point. The shade is a very natural-looking deep green that will remind you of an authentic winter wonderland. The setup is quick and easy so that anyone should be able to do it themselves in less than an hour. In addition to the tree itself, you'll also get a storage bag and 2 pairs of white gloves to aid in your branch fluffing efforts. This highly rated tree is available in multiple sizes, ranging from 4.5 to 9 feet tall, and can be purchased with or without built-in clear LED lights. The only remaining problem is the lack of that beloved pine scent. But tree-scented candles and aromatherapy oils are getting more realistic too. Moving on at number 4. We have the 6-foot Best Choice Products Artificial Christmas Tree. This isn't the most realistic-looking tree on our list, but for the money, it's one of the best values out there. The tree is easy to set up, and the metal stand also drives up the functionality. It makes the whole shebang a lot sturdier and less likely to tip than other inexpensive trees that come with cheap plastic stands. You may have to do some creative branch fluffing to maintain a full-looking tree, but once you load it up with ornaments, lights, ribbons, and tinsel, you won't think twice about whether or not your purchase was worth it. If the perfect Pinterest-worthy tree is important to your holiday cheer, then you may want to up your budget. But if a solid tree with easy as pie setup and a cheap price tag sounds great to you, then deck the halls with this pick. At number 3, we have the Best Choice Products Snow-Flocked Artificial Christmas Tree. An artificial Christmas tree like Best Choice Products Snow-Flocked one pretty much comes pre-decorated. With its fully integrated white lights and the addition of a faux snow overlay, all you need to add are some ornaments or bows to make it your own. The tree comes in 4 heights ranging from 4.5 feet to 9 feet. Your tree will come in 3 sections that stack together with metal fixtures, no painstakingly installing individual branches. Like any artificial tree, you'll have to take some time to fluff branches for a full look. The all-metal stand provides a solid base. The flocking does tend to shed, so keep a vacuum handy during setup and breakdown. It also comes in an unlit version if you want to save some money or add your own lights. At number 2, we have the Goplus 2-foot Tabletop Christmas Tree. Whether you have a small apartment or a dining table that needs some festive cheer, Goplus 2-foot Tabletop Christmas Tree is a perfect choice. It's battery-powered, so there is no cord to plug into an outlet. You can place it anywhere. It's not meant for use outdoors. The base of the tree is weighted to keep it upright and wrapped in decorative red fabric, but some users said the base could be heavier. There are 35 soft white LED bulbs and 71 branch tips you can hang ornaments on, though the tree looks fine even without decorations. And finally at number 1. We have the National Tree Company National Tree 7.5-foot, Feel Real, Downswept Douglas Fir. If what you really want is an artificial tree that can serve as the perfect blank canvas for your collection of family ornaments, turn to this Downswept Douglas Fir. The 7.5-foot tree has an impressive 59-inch diameter and comes without LED lights that can be set to a warm white or multicolored. It also features special trademarked, Feel Real, technology that could fool anyone, especially from a distance. The tree has plenty of decorating space, too, thanks to 1,867 crush-resistant branch tips that make the tree look lush and full. Convenient hinged branches mean setup is a breeze, too, though this pick is nearly 50 pounds, so you might need 2 people to set it up. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.